In this tutorial, we are going to explore floating point numbers in JavaScript. We'll learn what they are, how to handle common issues related to precision, and how to perform arithmetic operations with them. Here, we have declared a variable, float number, and assigned it the sum of 0.1 and 0.2. You might expect the result to be 0.3, but it's actually 0.300000000000000004. This is because of the way JavaScript handles floating point numbers, which can lead to some imprecision. To address this, we can use the toFixed method, which allows us to control the precision of a floating point number. Here, we are using toFixed to round our floating point number to 2 decimal places. As you can see, toFixed has rounded our number to 0.30, which is the expected result. Now, let's perform some arithmetic operations with floating point numbers. We've added 2 floating point numbers and used toFixed to control the precision of the result. The output is 13.0, which is the expected result. In conclusion, floating point numbers are numbers that have a decimal point. They can sometimes lead to imprecision when performing arithmetic operations due to the way JavaScript handles them. But by using methods like toFixed, we can control their precision and handle common issues. I hope this tutorial has been helpful to you. Keep coding, keep exploring, and have fun.